Hey guys, in today's video you will learn how to install Docker on your Windows. So let's get started. First open your browser and search for Docker. In the first result you can see the official Docker link. We can also see the Windows link here. Just click on it. I will also put the direct link in the description below. And then click download Docker desktop for Windows. While that downloads, let's check the system requirements. You can see here that we need WSL version 2.1.5 or later. Let's check if you have that set up. Before that, let's also check whether we have enabled our virtual machine platform or not. For that, search for control panel and open it. Go to programs and features. Then click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down until you find virtual machine platform. You can see that in my case it's already enabled. If you haven't enabled it, you need to just check this box and click OK. So just run your command prompt as administrator. Type WSL. You can see the WSL is not installed. Usually we would run WSL install to fix this. Now it's downloading our Ubuntu. So just wait for a while until it successfully installs. Now that the distribution is installed, it's asking us to create a default Unix user account. This is a standard security step for Linux environments. I'm going to name it to user, but you can choose any name you like. You can see it's returning an invalid username. The username must start with a lowercase letter. Next, type in the password. Now the account is successfully created. To verify everything is working, let's close this window and open a fresh command prompt. If I type WSL version, you can see the installed version is 2.5.10. This confirms we meet the requirements for Docker, so we are good to go. And also make sure you have 64-bit processor and minimum 4 GB RAM. Now let's open the Docker desktop installer we downloaded earlier. It will be in our downloads folder. Then make this configuration default and proceed with OK. You can see it's unpacking files. We may need to wait for some time. Let it run until you see the installation succeeded screen. So finally the installation is completed. We can also verify it from the terminal. Open CMD and type Docker version. If you see the version number listed here, the Docker is successfully installed. Finally, open the Docker desktop app. Now wait a moment for the Docker engine to start. It may take some time. And there we go. You can now see your containers, images and volumes tab. That's it. We successfully installed Docker by enabling the virtual machine platform and setting up WSL. Thank you guys for watching this video.